gamers, it's Kristin and it's time for me to share with you the summer FabFitFun box for you. I will list all the information below for you. As I've said before, this is one of my favorite boxes because they just think of things that you wouldn't necessarily think to buy for yourself. I just moved my little light over there. Sorry if it got ridiculously bright. I also am wearing my glasses today because my eyeballs were just not gonna have my contacts today. Just wasn't gonna happen. So they do send this to me, but all opinions are my own. All they ask is that we share it with you on our channel. On our channels, I say we because there are many of us that get this box. I'll list the information below for you. It's $50 every quarter. And if you use my code, you get $10 off. If you just want to go and pay full price, do that too. Find somebody else, whatever your little heart desires. That's just fine with me. I just want to make sure you have all of the information, and I will list that below. So it always comes with a magazine, a very large magazine that has information on the products on the inside of it, along with some other things. So we're going to set that over here. I've not even peeked. Sometimes I will see, you know, accidentally what other people got, but I haven't seen anything this time, so we're just going to open up and jump right in. So the first thing is SPF 50 Classic Sunscreen from Coola, C-O-O-L-A. Let me hold that the right way for you. I've not heard of this brand before. Yeah, it says Organic Sun Care. So, and it does say sports, which tells me it's probably waterproof as well. So that is a perfect thing coming into summer. Next is something from Pier 1. And let me open this up. Oh, it's a cute little, so I don't know what they intend this sort of dish to be, but this is a dish that I would put next to like my nightstand or on my dresser, and I would put the jewelry, you know, that I've worn of the day if I don't want to put it away right away. In that, I think you could use that for lots of things, and it's a very, very pretty marble. There really is such a great value in this box. I think that's why I always get so excited about it. The Tartus Pro To Go palette. I think I have this already, so I'm going to set this to the side, but I love this. This is a great, let me see. I do, so I'm going to set this aside and I will show you guys mine. It is a really nice travel palette. It has like a matte and a shimmer, seriously. A matte and a shimmer lid shade, and then a nice warm transition color, something to deepen up, and then two, they call it their duochromes, but they're just nice shimmer shades, really. So this is, I'll give you a little swatch of the whole thing. I should pull that out for travel this week. I totally forgot how much I like that. So these are the matte shades, and then those are the shimmer shades in the palette. It's a great palette. I do really like it. So it's a nice thing to toss in here. I'm sure not everybody has that, obviously. So I'm gonna leave that out. I think I'm gonna pack that this week. But I'm gonna set this aside, and I will use that for a giveaway here at some point. I have quite the little giveaway pile going. The next thing is also from Tarte, and it's the Sex Kitten Liquid Eyeliner. And is this waterproof? I would have thought that they would have put one that was waterproof in here. This is one of those filming sessions where everything's going wrong. So it is cute. It has a little kitten on the top of it. Nice little kind of indentation to grip. I've not used this or heard anything about it. Looks like a felt tip applicator. So we will see about that. I may use that. I may give that to a friend. That's another thing too. You know, there's going to be enough products in here that you're going to get your money's worth, but there's probably something you can share with somebody in there as well. Okay, this is a Forino, and it's a facial cleansing brush. Interesting. It says that it takes batteries, so it must, like, you know, be more of a deep clean sort of brush. So that's what that looks like. I will, of course, link each product individually below for you, so you can check it out if you want to. There's a cute little, like, coin purse in here. Let me just see what this is. Okay, so they call it a postscript wallet, and it normally would sell for $20. Interesting. It's very tiny. It's about the size of a business card or like your debit card. So I think their intention is that you would stick probably your debit card in there, maybe a little bit of cash, and then this is all you would need to carry. So I would probably use that in my, oh, I see. I was trying to figure out how to get open. You know, in my travel bag with something in it, I would imagine. And by the way, they aren't always the same. When I was looking through here, it showed some of the different options. Like some people will get this and some people will get something else. And looks like there's a nice travel bag in here. I love me a travel bag. I actually have a new one to show you guys in a haul video that either you have seen or you're about to see. Oh, this is bigger than it looked. So let me see who this is by. Looks like this is by the brand Luna. I'm trying to figure out how I can show you how tall it is. Oh no, it's Kim. That's the brand. But it's kind of hard to show you what it looks like here. Do I have anything I can shove in here to kind of help it keep its shape? That will kind of help it keep its shape a little bit. So that's the kind of size that it is. And it just looks like a nice inside here. And then on the top there's a zipper. And looks like a spot for brushes. A little coupon fell out. Looks like a spot for brushes. And then they're protected by this plastic thing. And over here there is a zipper. Whoops. Wrong way. There is a zipper and a little pocket that you can put some stuff in, and you could certainly set, like I would set probably I keep my brushes in something else personally, so I would maybe set a couple palettes in there or something like that. So that is awesome. There's a product, it's Aromatherapy Associates of London De-Stress Muscle Gel, and it says focus and soothing. So if I don't use that, I have a friend that will use that. And there's a peel from Elemis. It's papaya enzyme peel. It's advanced skincare, exfoliate and purify tired, lackluster skin. Non-abrasive fruit enzymes work to leave skin soft and revitalized and radiant. All about having some revitalized skin. And I have to look up what this is about. Hold on. I gotta tell you guys, I have searched this and I can't find it. But what the straw says on it is, this straw saves marine life. Visit giveasip.us. So let me put that up there so you guys can see. And I'll link that below as well for you. I'm not sure what the scoop is with that. Maybe it's a paper straw, maybe it's a reusable straw, I'm not really sure. But at any rate, so the other thing I wanted to show you, that is everything that is in mine. And so I wanted to show you on this, how I'm gonna show you this, I don't really know, but I'm gonna try. So you can see that you get one or the other. Like, so some boxes will have this, some will have that. And I was not aware that you could pick. It says select only as if you can get one or the other. So I'm not really sure what the scoop is with that, because mine just always comes with what it comes with. So I apologize that I don't know that, but again, I'll have the website listed below. But it looks like some boxes would have gotten a resistance band or the postscript wallet. So anyway, there's options is what I'm saying. There are options, and so not all boxes are the same. But all boxes are a total value of between $321.99 to $367.99, as you can see up at the top there. So it's a really great value, especially for $50. And like I said, it's just a fun thing to do. It's once a quarter, and again, it's things that you wouldn't necessarily think to buy for yourself. Like, I have a feeling I'm going to really enjoy this, yet I probably wouldn't have spent, not probably, I know, I wouldn't have spent money on this. So I don't know. I think it's a fun box. And I'm really excited, actually, that getting this in it reminded me to pull this up, because I haven't used that in a really long time. All right, so I think that is everything. Not too much to tell you about what's on my face today, because it's pretty minimal due to the glasses and whatnot. But I do want to say, let me grab it out of my pocket. I have it all set. I'm headed off to church here. That the gloss that I'm wearing, I'm really liking these glosses. I haven't hauled them yet, but, well, you may have seen it. I'm not really sure, again, the order. But this is the Becca Glow Gloss. And this is the one in Opal. And it's just, oh, I just love it. But anyway, Jaclyn Hill palette on my eyes. Cargo Tonga on my cheeks. Nothing too exciting. All right, all the information will be below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you're having a great day, and in everything that you do and say, be beautiful. Bye.